Okay, hi, welcome to another flipping video for Old School RuneScape. Today, we will be recapping some of the stuff and moving on to do some more potions. It kind of seems to be potion days currently in the market. So, the stamina potions actually sold. They are in an interesting spot even today. That's why I'm probably going to be trading 2 days in a row. And so far, with this one trade from yesterday, it has made 338k profit. Really nice profit. And then I moved on to the gold leaves, which sold at 32,557. I didn't expect all of them to buy, but they did, and the price is pretty decent, so I'm kind of happy with it. Only 117 sold of these. I might readjust the price a little bit so I'd have more to work with throughout the video. And these ones sold at actually 136. These are the ones that I bought, I think, throughout the episode, or a little bit earlier in the episode. They ended up making the total of 350k. That's more than the potions. So going back to the construction items being absolutely broken currently in the market. But I've already made a video about it, so that's not going to be the topic of today. So these ones also sold. They also add the additional 256k, so pretty much almost doubling the amount I made from potions yesterday. But I really think it's mostly due to the fact that trade limit is really interfering with the potion market at the moment, so it's going to be unfolding pretty slowly. I want to check before we get into potions, what is the price of the current gold leaves? I think somebody beat me to it by 20 gold or something. Okay, let's see. 13999. All right, let's do 133997. All right, so hopefully some of these will sell and they will add to the budget of today's, because actually it's not just stamina potions I'll be trading, but yeah, there's gonna be more. So let's sell these for this. I always recheck the price because there's been so many failed trades where I lost profit just because I misclicked or didn't double check the price. Okay, and we have 40 mil to work with. Not a lot, but I think since potions have these trade limits, it's gonna be alright. Here's extra gold that's coming in. Very nice. Alright, so let's go into the browser then, shall we? Okay. So before I begin, I want to mention that the New Year's giveaway, by the time this video goes live, is probably complete. So congratulations to the 2 winners of the old school bonds, or maybe it's just 1 winner getting both of the bonds. I'm not sure how the entries work yet, but it's going to be interesting to see. I've also set up a new, if you go to the winter bond tab on the website, which is in the description, what you'll find is that there's a brand new bond, 2 bonds giveaway. Once again, 6 days left until the giveaway begins, and all you need to do is just enter your old school RuneScape name, and well, I mentioned it, also contact email, but yeah, I can't disable that. All right, let's move right into the flipping. So the stamina potions still in an interesting spot. Overall direction, I always mention that direction is really important to me, that it's continued to rise. It seems as if it's like doing something weird here, so I could be wrong. That's why don't flip stamina potions just because I'm doing it. I'm just taking this risk because I think it might be okay. It's kind of had a similar thing here, where it sort of had this weird little resistance before it actually pulled up to a higher high. I have a feeling that's what it's doing now too. So if we go to weekly, of course, there is an uptrend pattern. It has reached really high highs at 7.2, and then consolidated here, which is actually kind of almost higher than it has this previous consolidation phase before it actually started growing. That's why I'm really confident that this is probably going to be pulling up. We'll need to see what the margin is. That's probably exactly what I should do right now, as long as it's in the screen. 133k more. Excellent. All right, stamina potions. Let's do 8k for these. And it's, oh, it looks like it's in a good spot. I guess I'll need to pull up the calculator to really tell of what we'll be working with here. Wow, that looks really good, actually. Okay, not really good, but decently good. All right, here's where we're gonna pull up the calculator. Oh man, Windows calculators. I don't know how they work, but I think it's the best way to show it with my current setup on OBS. All right, so let's draw a line right here. It's probably gonna end up at around just a little bit higher than this, which, oh, I can already see it. I don't even need to calculate. It's literally at the bottom of the lower end, and I usually split it into half, so I guess we won't need the calculator for this one. The price is really in a good spot. I'm just not sure how much I want to add on top of it. I think I'll just add a full 10. Stamina potions, this one, 7087. Yeah, just full 10 on top of it. It doesn't matter. It's going to be just like, what, 20k less profit than if I just added one coin on top of it. And I feel like it's more likely it's going to sell. 14 mil going into the stamina potions for today. Whoops. So it doesn't happen often that I flip the same thing 2 days in a row, but today's one of those days. Stamina potions are just performing really, really well at the time. So now, the second potion that I wanted to work with today, and I found some value in, was the Sanfew serums. I think they're used in Daganouths, to hunt the Daganouths, because they are poisonous, and this provides poison resistance. The pattern itself is also not a consistent growth. That's why I'm just kind of thinking more of an experiment here, rather than actually flipping. So it's risen really high to 31k, and then it's dropped massively by 10k within, was it 1 week? That's pretty spooky, if you ask me, to trade something as volatile as this. But hey, if we check out the range, right, there's been this consolidation phase where it sort of went to 19k peaks, 19.1, 19.3 at most peaks, and we go through the quarter and see what the support is currently. It's 19.7, which is higher than the peaks of the previous consolidation. That's why it seems to me it's a good opportunity. There's a confirmation, and it has potential to really go high. I mean, if it's that volatile, the risk is pretty high too, but the potential of like having this massive growth here is also there. So let's check this out. I can't say that it's in the best spot currently. It almost seems like it's peaking out. So I'm gonna just test the margins and actually calculate this one of what exactly we'll be working with. 8 minutes in. Okay, we don't have much time. I'll just get right into it. So the bottom point should be around here, right? So that's 21.75 or 21.7 more or less. 21.700. I'm gonna add that together with is that 22.5? No, wait, that's not 0.5, that's 0.3. 22.3, maybe 22.35. I'm gonna add 22.35 just so there would be more range. Once again, the potential for growth is pretty big. And now we're gonna nicely split that out of half, and we get this price right here. Okay, let's go to RuneScape. Nice, we got some potions already. Let's work with the Sanfews. 30k. I think Sanfews are also used in raids, because then you don't need to bring an anti-poison against lizardmen. But I don't know, I don't play RuneScape, I just flip. Okay, 22, still within decent margin. I mean, the margin is insane, but still within decent margin on the average that I've calculated. So that's why I'm just gonna go straight ahead and do a 22,007 for the Sanfews. 22,007. Let's see how many of these will sell. Oh wow, I actually don't have the full buy for this one. Alright, yeah, I didn't expect that. But that's alright, 26k. I really thought that would be enough. But hey, we have 9.5. I'm gonna add, whoops, okay, let's do 1 to 15. How about that? Yep, everything's correct. I mean, this seems a bit high compared to the, oh wait, actively traded price has already dropped below 21.6. Oh no, wait, okay. It's good that I saw that. It's actually pretty important. That means that it's pulling back pretty hard. Let's go back to the web page. Where would that be? 21.6 is somewhere below here. And this one is showing that this shouldn't be the case. That's really weird. Wait, so we could do something else instead. Because I know that it's probably going to bounce at around that point that it's currently actively traded. And probably it's really thin of people who are actually buying at 22. Even if it's not thin, there's 2k limit on how much there could be sold. And it's about 2k per hour. So if I give it a few hours, it's likely to buy out all of that too. Although it is profitable, it doesn't matter like if I buy it at the 1.6. I might do 500. So I'm not used to situations like this where it's in a really weird spot. But, let's do 707. How about 777? 21777. We'll do 500. Running out of time here. 10 mil for the 777, and the rest of it I'll actually put in at the point where we calculated that it should be profitable. So 22,007. Let's see what happens. I'm actually really curious myself because I don't know. It's strange that the actively traded price is in a weird spot. And here we go. 720 for the actual price that it's probably going to sell. So let's go. Hey, almost these. A lot of these sold. Oh, yikes. That was good. I didn't cancel. So let's add more to these. 4 more million to Sanfew potions at the bottom here. 21777. And 15 mil going right into this. What is it, like 650? How much we got here? Ooh. Nope. 670. I need to wrap this video up because it's going to be past 15 minutes and I won't be able to upload it. Okay, 15 mil going into Sanfews with 21k. Alright, that's it. That's the recap, that's the new giveaway, and that's the flipping for tomorrow. Or I guess for today. I'll see you in the next episode of Flipping. Bye-bye.